What up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Joe, man, coming back at you with another one, man. Just want to say thank y'all, for all the support and love that y'all been giving the channel, man. We steady growing, man. I think we got over like 70-something subscribers in the last week. That's pretty big for us. I just want to say thank y'all so far, man. Today we got a special one coming for you, man. We're about to get ready to go to After Dark Cruising. My first time going to this one. Thought the rain was gonna mess us up. It is a little rainy and it's supposed to continue to rain, but I'm not sure how it's gonna affect it. Yeah, we're going to After Dark Cruising out in Pearl, Mississippi, from the Freaks of Nature. My first time dealing with these guys, like I said, so I really don't know what to expect. So it's a kid-friendly event, so I'm taking the kids and the wife with me today. So yeah, man, y'all like and hit that subscribe button, man. And y'all stay tuned, man. We're about to get this footage going. You know what I'm saying? We'll see y'all in a minute. Peace. YouTube, we done made it. Despite the rain, man, it's a nice little crowd out here. We're about to get ready to get out the truck and show y'all what it look like. You know what I'm saying? Get a couple of cars, get some footage of what's going on. Like I said,
and like and subscribe.
You see who I got back there with me. Miss Kinsley, Big Braylon back there. What's going on? Got the wifey with me. Yes, sir, man. Y'all tune in, man. Stay tuned. We're about to get ready to get out of here and get some footage. We ain't gonna be out too long though. The kids gonna get wet. You know, we cranky, hungry. So, yeah, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button, man. Stay tuned. Peace. we stopped at Freakin to get some lunch and we head out. Car was pretty cool. Nice cars out there, man. Hope y'all like this footage. Like I said, man, y'all make sure y'all like and y'all subscribe. Watch some of the other videos, man, and make sure y'all share. We'll be coming at you with more content. Got some more stuff coming up next weekend. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. And thank y'all again for all the subscriptions.